Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix slow copy speed on Windows 11. So to fix this problem you can try this method. First method, click on start and search services, search CMD, run as administrator. Now here guys you have to copy and paste this code. I will give in description. Net sh int tcp set global auto tuning level equal disabled, then press enter. And guys, once you need to get normal and want to disable this setting, so copy and paste this second command line. It's a similar first command line. Difference here is the equal normal and here is the equal disabled. So copy and paste here. Then press enter. Now second method you can try. Open, click on start, then search turn Windows features on or off. Now click on turn Windows features on or off. And here you will see this setting. Now here you will see this setting, remote differential comparison API support. So unselect, then click on OK. Now once this process complete, exit and restart your system. Still you are facing problem, so you can try third method. Click on start, search services, open services. Now here guys you have to find out optimize. Now here you need to find out this optimize drivers. Double click on it and startup type select automatic. Then click on apply. Click on OK and reboot your system. So these are methods guys you can try to resolve and to fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment any method work for you.